Anyway, okay, so a St. Catherine woman identified as Shania Brown from Kentish District, who reportedly drank 21 cups of an alcoholic beverage to celebrate turning 21 years old, was found dead hours into her birthday on Thursday morning. Now, a video has since emerged on social media showing Brown taking shots of liquor while counting to 21.
Housemates of Shania Brown woke up Thursday morning and tossed flour on her bed as she laid in the bed. When Shania did not move, they splashed her with water, but yet again, there was no reaction. They decided to turn her on her back. Now, one housemate said there was a lot of mucus and a lot of vomit on her face. I put my hand under her nose and she wasn't breathing. We called her mother and told her that Shania is not responding. Then we called 119.
The conversation with the 119 dispatcher confirmed their worst fear when a mirror they were told to hold in front of Shania's mouth and nose did not smear. She was not breathing. Her housemate said she's not an irresponsible person. In fact, she's the opposite of that. Although she may be stubborn at times, she is the sweetest and kindest person you could have in your corner. Now, the Browns Hall police in St. Catherine North are investigating the cause of sudden death, or the case of sudden death.
Yeah, like they always say sometimes, like you see it on movies, you see all over the place, that when you're drinking or somebody is really, really intoxicated, they always tell you like not to put the person on their back. They say to, you know, ensure they're on their side, like try to keep the tongue forward, because sometimes a person, what's happening, and I'm not saying this is the case, guys, this is just my naive, ignorant thoughts and musing, so I'm not saying this is what happened, but you know, when you're drinking a lot or something, you can be on your back and you're vomiting in your mouth and you can actually choke on your own vomit. You can actually drown on your own vomit, if you know what I mean. So I'm not saying that's what's happened here, but it's so sad. Like they said, she's a good young lady. It appears that, you know, she's responsible, like they said, and it's unfortunately his 21st birthday. So of course, who didn't go a little crazy on their 21st birthday? I saw a lot of people on social media saying a lot of negative things and a lot of like, well, she shouldn't be doing that and she should, you know, it's her birthday, it's a celebration. We all, 21, I'm glad y'all didn't have social media back in my day, because listen.
The thing is though, this is why it's very important to have the right tribe and the right circle of friends around you. Because, you know, at the same time, even though, yeah, it's okay to go a little while on your birthday, you know, you're celebrating another year on the earth, and, you know, many people don't live to see it. You want to live to see another one. So at the same time, you want people around you that can say, hey, you don't know how this thing really going. If it is that she's inexperienced or an inexperienced drinker, you don't know how this thing really go. Wait, look, make us see the effects that alcohol, and then you go for the next 2, or you go for the next 4, or you go for the next, you know. You can do the 21, you know, but
I think that comes with age too.
When
I was young.
Well, then maybe you need an older person in the group.
But it's true, because it comes with age. When I was younger, I didn't know, now I know how to regulate. Before, it's unfortunate. Our sympathies, condolences goes out to the family of Shania. Right. Daytime Live will be right back, and we are still buzzing. Join us after the break.